All right, people, it is officially soup season, and I'm gonna be doing one of my favorite soups. It's similar to a Tuscan soup. Y'all know that Olive Garden shit, but this is more of a potato, sausage, Cajun soup. Instead of kale, I have some collard greens. That's my favorite. This is gonna bring so much flavor to this soup. So first, I'm gonna cut my potatoes. Now, a lot of people, when they make soups that have potatoes in them, they like to throw it in the soup and let it cook, but sometimes the sauce reduces and it gets too thick. Even though I like my soups thick, but I don't want it super thick. So I'm gonna blanch them a little bit. I'm gonna blanch them, then I'm gonna add them to the soup. I don't know if anybody has ever had this kind of soup before. Like I said, it's similar to a Tuscan soup, but let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, I like mine, I dice them. I like them to be a little bit bigger. I don't really like super small diced potatoes. All right, we're gonna let these cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna finish the rest of the soup. All right, now we're gonna brown our sausage, and then we're gonna take that out and we're gonna sweat down our veggies. The good thing about this recipe, it's inexpensive, it's real cheap. So you can get a lot out of this recipe. It'll feed about 4 people. So we're gonna brown those up, take them out, and I'm still gonna use the grease from the sausage. All right, let's take this sausage out. Just wanna brown them a little bit. All right, now, I'm gonna add my butter. Now I'm gonna add my veggies, which I dice. Now, listen, everybody doesn't have knife skills to dice this small. I can go even smaller, but you know, this is the way I like them diced. If not, just get the device that dices them this small, but this is how I like to dice mine. Got green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, half of a white onion, 2 celery stalks, and I'm gonna use half of this. It's about 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Sweat those down. Be ready in about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, now that our veggies are sweated down, I'm gonna add my seasoning, which is onion powder, garlic, granulated garlic that I made myself, Old Bay, smoked paprika, and thyme. And I'm also gonna add a 1/2 cup of flour. Once that's all incorporated, we're gonna add our 1/2 and 1/2. Gonna let that thicken up. This is how thick I like my soups, just like that. Now, certain soups like pot sticker soups, wonton soups, you know, I like it real thin, but this I like thick. Now, we're gonna add our potatoes. We're gonna add our sausage. And we're gonna add our greens. All right, before we plate, this is what I'm topping it with. If you know me, you know this is my favorite cheese, smoked Gouda. I'm gonna shred this and I'm gonna throw it on top and it's ready. All right, let's plate this up. God, that smells good. Then we're gonna top it with some smoked Gouda. Okay, that's it. Cajun sausage and potato soup.
All right. So let's mix it all up.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks real cheesy. What kind of soup is this again?
It's a potato sausage Cajun.
You sure this is soup?
With the cheese.
Shit. No, I like cheese.
And I know you like, the only way you eat soup is if it's thick.
I don't like soup, y'all. Especially when it's hot.
She only likes thick soup.
You ain't gonna catch me eating soup in the summertime. Well, it depends. Mmm. That's different.
Super different.
Is that kale? You said kale?
That's collard greens.
Mmm. Even better.
Yeah.
Mmm. I don't even know what to explain this. It's almost giving like a dip.
Damn near, huh?
Mmm.
Should have got you some crostinis.
Mmm. Yeah, this is definitely not giving soup. I'm about to eat all this.
If it was my soup, it would have been thinner. But, you know.
Oh, so you made this for me?
Yes.
I like cheese. I like sausage. It's definitely giving Cajun something. Got a little sausage in there, little greens, cheese. That's fire.
Great. Now listen, I'm gonna be real. If this was my soup, it'll be thinner, but this is for my wife. I want it to be thick. She's a big fan of pan roast, and this is how thick her pan roast. Like she said, it is giving dip, but it's still a soup to me. It's fire. The collard greens add so much flavor. The hot links add so much spice. That's fucking fire. Listen, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.